Hello guys, today we have an exciting introduction to a game changer in the world of communication services. Allow me to present you ZegoCloud, your gateway to global communication service provider that empowers you with developer-friendly and powerful SDKs and APIs, enabling you to incorporate a plethora of communication features into your application. Whether you're looking to integrate video calls, chat, video, live streaming or more, ZegoCloud has got you covered. Now, let's dive into what sets ZegoCloud apart. They provide UI kits that allow you to effortlessly build video call apps with minimum code. Here, as you can see it here, we have one-on-one calls, group calls, video conferences, live streaming, chat. So these UI kits are designed to make your development process smoother and more efficient. Let's explore some remarkable features of ZegoCloud UI kits. So we have low code development, customizations, seamless integration, scalability also. And today we are going to create one-on-one calls using ViteJs, like ReactJs, also TailwindCSS, React router, and also other things that I will show you. So firstly, what can we do? So let's go to my account. Firstly, you need to register to the ZegoCloud website. After you have it done, let's log in to the dashboard. Once you're registered, you will receive 10,000 free minutes to kickstart your communication application development journey. And let's create our first project. So we are going to build a voice and video call. Let's click it. Let's click it to the next. Okay, we have here a project name. Let's name it like ZegoCloud, or let's do it video call app. Okay, so you have here UI kits and SDK. So start with UI kits. Let's wait a few minutes. After it loads, you will see this framework selection. So we are going to use for web. There are also for iOS, Android, React Native, Flutter. Let's choose it for web. Okay, so as we can see, here is the basic configuration, one-on-one call. You have all the settings. If you want to change something, you can disable it. Okay, now let's get to the project management. Here is our app, the latest app that we have created. So as you can see, we have on the service management overview, we need to get to the voice and video call. So it's activated, so you can activate other stuffs as well. For now we need to get to the UI kits. So let's get back to the ZegoCloud UI kits, and let's one-on-one call. Let's click on JavaScript. We are here, so we need to use npm package manager. Okay, we have it here. So for now, let's create our Vite project. So let's copy this one. Let's paste it. Let's name it ZegoCloud video call app. Let's choose React. Okay, we will use JavaScript for now. Okay, we have it. So cd into the ZEGOCLOUD. Clear. Let's do npm install. Let's wait a few minutes. Okay, we're done. Let's do code, or whichever you like it. We have it here. The next step is we need the TailwindCSS. Let's install it. So let's grab the code. We need to install this one as well. Okay, now as you can see on the content, copy this line. Let's go to the Tailwind here config.js. Let's paste it here. The next step is to copy the index.css stuffs here. So let's copy it. Let's go to src. Let's remove all from index.css. Let's paste this line. So we don't need the assets here. Let's remove it. We don't need also we don't need this one as well. Here we can just delete this file like code, paste it. Let's remove this also. Okay, we have h1. We have the class name with underline text. Let's try to run it. npm run dev. Let's firstly clear it like npm run dev. Let's wait a minute. Okay guys, we have it. Let's check it. As you can see, we have hello world underlined. It works for now. Next step, we need to install .env. So let's grab this line. Let's cancel it with Ctrl+C. Paste it .env. We need UUID also. Let's copy it, paste it. And one more thing we need to have, it's a React router, so that we can redirect to other page. So put the npm install React router DOM, press enter. Okay, we have it, so clear it and run it again. So npm run dev. Let's open to our browser. So one more thing that we need to install it, it's ZegoCloud UI kit pre-built. So let's cancel it here. Sorry, let's clear it and install it. Okay, successfully. So let's run it again. So npm run dev. Okay, let's refresh our page. Okay. So firstly, we need to create UI for our chat room. So for example, we need to enter some name or some IP or some ID to get into that room. So for example, I type in like 123 and somebody types also 123, so we get the same connection and we can reach each other. So here, let's delete this one. Let's create div. So let's give it a class name for this div. Let's do it like flex. Justify, center it, items also, center minimum height of screen and background gray of 100. Let's create one more div. So this div also will have a background of white, padding of 6, rounded large, shadow, and then like max width of also MD, so width of full. Okay, you can see it. Let's do the each one for this. So let's write join a meeting. Yeah, you can see that. Let's give a style. So text a bit bigger, larger. Margin bottom of 4 and text center. Okay. Let's do input. So our input will have a type of text and we'll have a placeholder. Let's do enter meeting ID. Let's give a class name width of full, padding of 2, border and rounded, margin bottom of 3. Yeah, it's nice, looking nice. Let's do one more button. Let's name join meeting. Let's give it styles for this button, like width of full, background of blue, let's do 500, text white, paddings rounded, yeah, we can do like font, let's do maybe bold, yeah. So one more thing that we need to do. Let's create use state room. Let's name it room ID, set room ID, use state, it's a React hook. Let's give it empty string for now. What else do we need? Yeah, we need navigation, so for later, like use navigate. Okay, and don't forget to import it. Okay, for our input, like let's do this. Okay, let's do basically without for now, without navigation. So let's give value for input, so room ID, and on change, so let's give it e of set room ID, e dot target value. So basically it will take the value from, like if you see we are typing, so it will take the value and set to the set room ID. Okay, let's fix our navigation. So on our documentation, let's firstly import and let's take our router. So our main router will be app. Okay, the second, let's do room ID, so that if we type something like room 123, it should have this ID. So this one will have a room. Okay, we need to import it, so import room from here, room JSX, so this one. So let's close it. And one more thing that we need to have is provider. So that's it. So as we go, for example, here, like we can like 1 2 3, like 1 2, like room 1. So we're getting to the room. Let's do okay, let's firstly work on our app. Let's do now the navigate, use navigate. Let's get back to our main. So guys, here is not okay. Yeah, now you can see the padding. So let's create the handle like press or join. Let's call it join. Let's give it an arrow function of navigate. So we will navigate to the room and to our room ID from our use state, and we can replace it like replace to true, so that it will replace the page. So on this button we need to have on click and give this function. So for example, we will do like 1 2 4 join. You can see 1 2 4. Okay, we can now go to our room page. Here we can do the ID using use params. So getting the ID using use params. And one more thing that we need to have is on the main files. So .env. Let's name it here Zego Cloud secret server. So the secret server, so guys, we're on the project configuration. So we have the app ID, yes, you can see, and also we have the server secret. So press the button, copy the secret, paste it and close it. Okay, I have it. So do the const secret server ID. So do the import meta env. Okay, so guys, don't forget to, as you are using the Vite, you need to have firstly Vite and after the name, because suddenly it will not work if you don't do it. Let's now check the documentation of ZEGOCLOUD. We can import the Zego kit prebuild, and also we will need to have the UUID, so paste it as well. For the next step we will need to have this function, so let's do the const. So this one we will create the generate kit token. So const my meeting, so sync. So where is it? Let's copy this one. Okay, let's copy this one as well. So for app ID, you have the project configuration and copy your app ID, paste it here. For the server secret, we have the env file, save it, and here what we will need is, as we can see from our documentation, it's the app ID. So let's copy this too. You can see it here, like ROM ID. We will give the ROM ID of our ID from use param. So the next one, user ID, let's give it UUID for the random, because for now we don't have a database. We will use UUID. So two string. Okay, the lastly username. So for now I will put it your name. So later we can change it. Okay, let's check what's next. So after this, let's create instance object from kit token. Let's take the code, paste it. Okay, the next one is join room. So this one is start the call, as you can see here. So let's do it. So for container, let's write element, share the links array of giving the name. Let's do copy the URL, something like URL. For the URL, let's copy, because we need an object. So for the URL you need let's copy this one, like let's copy this room, give an ID. Okay, let's check the documentation. So after the array we need scenario mode Zego. So you can create a group call, but we're using the one-on-one, so one-on-one call. Okay, let's check next one. Let's copy this div here, save it. So let's go, for example, here we can do like 1, 2, 5 join. Yeah guys, you can do allow. So I don't have camera guys, but you can test it on your own. Here we can see your name, so can cat hub. Okay, if I click to join, see guys, it's me. If I paste it one more time, let's do user 2 join. So guys, hey, I will turn this off because I have also a microphone, so it will not duplicate for you. So you can see guys, we have created, and back to the home screen, we can close it. And one more thing guys, I wanted to show you what else that we have here. So you have a lot of parameter examples here. So I found I will show you what I just found, like show screen sharing button to true and show room timer, yeah, also to true. So basically what it does, so you have the like button. So if I do the false, I think it's inside like show room timer. So if we do like hub, let's join it. So yeah guys, you see the timer. So guys, we have finished building our video call app using ZEGOCLOUD. So whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting on your app building journey, ZEGOCLOUD's power tools and resources are here to support you every step on the way. Stay tuned for more exciting content and make sure to hit subscribe to our channel for latest updates, and until next time guys.